Hello all, Chet here from Chet's Adventures Beyond. Here in Tucson International Airport, this is the way you would come in for dropping off friends, families, loved ones, and there's regular walkway for curbside, and then there's also this other side, looks like more of a handicap ramp, but it's a little funky looking, and there's curbside there. Wanted to give a little view of the background mountains behind, cacti and all that wonderful stuff of nature. Anyways, coming up, just remember your overhanging for keeping yourself dry when rainstorms come through. 11 feet 6 inches. And there's our smoking areas over here too. Outdoors 20 ticketing for both A and B gate terminals. And again, a beautiful view from here out. Planes flying or helicopters flying through. This is all for loading and unloading only. Smoking area is the first little spot up here. For American. Smoking area right here. They do have American curbside check-in, which is right up on our right. And through door 21. At this point, there's no smoking, e-cigarettes, or regular smoking. And farther down, we still have no parking, unattended vehicles, so immediate unloading and loading only. We have the luggage carts on our right, door 22 here, and keeping on going, still no smoking. And then curbside for Alaska and Delta at door 23. And I want to give another view of the mountains and how beautiful it is here. Keep on going. And door 23, I believe, over to door 22. We'll continue that in just a minute. Upstairs at curbside drop-off between door 23 and door 22. Our overhang is 11 feet 6 inches, and then we have Ario Brewing Company here. Actually, door 24 over here. This will be for Southwest. And moving farther on down, still no smoking. Both regular cigarettes or e-cigarettes. No parking, or it's only for unloading and loading only. By door 25 for Sun Country and United. Still no smoking. E-carts, $6 fee, I'm sure. And there's also wheelchairs over here if you need those. I would touch base with your airline before you use them. Door 26 here. Yeah, looks like 27 for United. Still no smoking over here. I think that's a little farther down for smoking area. Still beautiful views out there. A little different from the other side, but still all awesome. And smoking area over here at the east end. The other one was at the west end. It looks like you can walk all the way down from here. Just take your time and all that. So I can go much farther down, but you pretty much can walk through this entire place. So there you go. Inside here at Tucson International Airport, up on the departures level. We're here at door 20. If you come in on the right side, you can see the Tucson Aviation Pioneers, all our pictures and all that. And come around to the other side, you can check out all the awesome artwork and design On our right hand side here we have B gates, Tucson International Airport for TSA departure boards right by door 21. And then we also have ticketing here. And I'll show that really quick, all for American. You have your baggage sizer right down here. Priority there, mobile or assistant special services, bag check, plenty of places to sit and relax. Elevator in the back there. Family restroom, all on the right. And then a little store that's closed, but on the other side there's a way out by elevators and upcoming escalator by door 22. Alaska, and then there's Tucson, and then Delta. Got our arrivals and departure boards here. It's first class, bag drop, bag tag, assistance. There's your electric, there's assistance there as well. Delta, there's priority, your kiosk, repack scale, agent assist, and self-tag drop-off. And then Arroyo Trading Post, nice little spot to go into. Restrooms here, elevator in the back, courtesy phone, nice little area to sit down and relax. Women's restroom over here, other side is men's restrooms. And we will check all that out in just a moment. And just wanted to show a nice little area back here, which I had not actually seen before. So you get to see out all the windows here. There's Delta, Alaska farther over. You get to watch all of what's happening down below. Very cool. And we'll go to the other side in a minute. Continuing from our ticket counters also to our mid terminal viewing deck area, where you can see where all of the airlines are. We just saw Alaska and Delta, now the Southwest side, and everything outside there, all the other planes that are still grounded. And then you can see all the makeup area, all the artwork here, lounges sit at, and gallery. Coming out of here on your left, you have the women's room. On the right, where we're heading, you have the men's room. Straight is downstairs. Water bottle filling station over there by the men's room and family restroom. Okay, going back the way we came, it'd be Delta and American. And we're gonna keep on going towards the other terminal, where we have Southwest. Courtesy phone over here. That'll be coming out of the Arroyo Trading Post, Repack Center. So Southwest, Priority Lane, and Help Desk. There are kiosks, and then there's the bag drop. Plenty of cans and bottles, trash, and newspaper, all that. Wonderful area. Still more airlines come through. Our flight boards on the left-hand side. And then family restroom there. And keeping on coming through, we have some more artwork. And at this point, we're right across from door 25, where we also have the elevator and escalator coming up. Repack area, elevator back there for Sun Country and United. So skip the kiosk, you have United Economy, United Bag Drop, Premier Access, and then coming over to where you go out to the A gates, across from door 26, and there is where TSA is. We're gonna head down towards where we head out to the area for rental cars and garage. All the awesome artwork here by door 27. Get more of that on our way back up. The wonderful flying horse, love it. And heading down here, and I'll take you through of this already, so I'll just give it a quick tour through. Now there's out the rental cars, and all of that. Here at door 18, coming in from the rental cars, there's restrooms out there too. Take the lower side, that takes you down to baggage claim and parking area. Go up to ticket counters. You can take the moving walkway, or you can just walk up the way I'm doing. Plenty of cool artwork that you can check out as you're walking through. You can see the Pegasus up at the top there, aka the flying horse. You have wonderful views of outside. This airport has some of the best artwork in my opinion. The ticketing and gates, more of the artwork, the gallery, seating area. We're going from gates A here to B gates. And TSA is on both ends. So I've got TSA here, and all the way to the other side is TSA. So from door 27 to 26. And then heading towards ticketing. And as the sign shows there, downstairs for baggage claim and ground transportation. United here and Sun Country on the left. And Southwest on the left. Here at door 25, have our elevator and steps. Going over towards the B gates. There's a post office drop box by door 24 and 6, I believe. So here's Southwest Airlines. And then heading on through, about halfway here, towards B gates. Still awesome artwork in here. Over by the Ario Trading Post and Ario Brewing Company. More flight monitor boards through here. Can you look at those? Check it out. Alright. So we'll keep going from here. Alright, still here at Tucson International Airport. Ario Brewing and Ario Trading Post. On our left here we have Delta and Alaska by door 23. Also restrooms are back behind Delta area. Mary sitting over there waiting for our Alaska counter to open. And then steps on the right hand side with the elevator, and the escalator's coming up straight ahead. Heading over towards B gates. Here at door 22 is the elevator. And also back towards the back door over there by American, there's another elevator. And here's the American ticket counter. And then the B gates for the departures and all that. And that's all TSA, not showing that. So door 21 to 22. And there you go. Hope everybody enjoyed that. If you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe. It definitely helps us out on this channel. Ring or click that notification bell for more future video updates. And as always, Have fun, stay safe wherever your adventures may take you. Enjoy.